Title: Shadowing English Speaking Practice. Speak English with me. Have you ever understood English perfectly but struggled to speak it confidently? What if just 10 minutes of daily practice could make your English sound more natural, fluent, and confident? In this shadowing practice, don't worry about grammar mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and speak with me. The more you repeat, the better your English becomes. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Daily Life. Listen and repeat. Good morning. How are you today? I am feeling great today. I am ready to learn something new. Every day is a new opportunity. I enjoy improving my English. Learning English is becoming easier. I practice English every day. Small progress is still progress. I believe in myself. I can speak English confidently. Part 2. Building confidence. Repeat after me. Confidence comes with practice. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help me learn faster. I am improving every day. I speak clearly and confidently. I trust my abilities. I can express my thoughts in English. I am becoming more fluent. I enjoy speaking English. My confidence grows every day. Part 3. Everyday Conversations. Repeat. What are you doing today? I have a busy schedule. I am working on my goals. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading books. I like listening to music. I love learning new skills. That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more? Thank you for sharing. Part 4. Positive Mindset. Speak with me. I choose to think positively. I focus on solutions. Challenges help me grow. I never give up easily. Success takes time and effort. I learn from every experience. I stay motivated every day. My future is bright. I am capable of achieving great things. I believe in my dreams. Part 5. Advanced Shadowing. Repeat naturally. The more I practice, the better I become. Consistency is the key to success. Learning a language requires patience. Every conversation helps me improve. Fluency is a journey, not a destination. I enjoy the process of learning. Speaking English is becoming a habit. I am comfortable expressing my ideas. I can communicate effectively. My English is improving every single day. Closing. Excellent job. Remember, fluency doesn't come from studying alone. It comes from speaking, repeating, and practicing consistently. Practice this shadowing exercise every day, and you will notice a big difference in your English speaking skills. Keep practicing, keep improving, keep speaking English.